12:30 on 2RRR 88.5 FM. You're with Marek and Scott on Soundtrack, playing music from the movies. It's the top 10 time again. I've got a special guest speaker in the studio with us this evening. Hello to you, Effie.
Hello, Merrick.
How's
How
it going?
are you?
Not too bad, thank you.
It's good.
What do we got happening in the top 10?
What do you want it, 10 to 1 or 1 to 10?
Whatever you're most comfortable with.
Oh, well, we go 10, shall we?
Okay.
At number 10, we have Natural Born Killers.
And that's starring Woody Harrelson.
Yes, I don't like him.
You don't like him?
No, he's stupid.
Oh, is he?
And that Louise, what's her name? She's ugly, mate. She doesn't know how to dress. She's so stupid.
And what do we got at number 9?
Number 9, Escape's a good word. Escape from Absalom, which I saw the review for, and it's got a spunk in it. I don't know who he is, but he looks spunky. Ray Liotta.
Oh, from Goodfellas?
From Goodfellas. That was a good movie because it had in it.
Indeed.
They were good ones. At number 8 we have Threesome, and I saw that, and it's excellent. I don't care what no one says, because if they don't like it, they're stupid.
And we've actually played some tracks from that so far this evening.
I heard it. Because I was here.
I'm glad you're listening. And what do we got next?
What was we up to? 7. Angels in the Outfield. I think this is a bit of a movie for the kids. And it was at number 5, but now it's at number 7. Suckers. And
Dropping out
then
of the top 10.
another kids one, The Lion King, but a lot of adults have seen it and said that they liked it.
There are a lot of Disney fans out there. Are you a Disney fan?
I am. I have 5 videos at home.
5 videos?
And I want more.
And they're Disney films, I assume.
They are. Yes, yes, they are. They're all Disney, and they're excellent. So The Lion King's at number 6. Clear and Present Danger. Now that's the spunk. You don't even need to say his name because he is so good.
Yeah, I mean, he's one of the world's greatest actors.
That's right.
Harrison
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Not.
Clear and Present Danger. One to check out, I'm sure.
And the next one is The Specialist. I don't know nothing about that one.
Sylvester Stallone and Sharon Stone.
Oh, it will suck. It will suck.
What, with SS and SS?
I'm sorry, but no, it's not gonna work.
Sylvester Stallone playing a bomb expert.
Mind you, a friend of mine named Eve, she went and saw it, and she said it was excellent, but I don't believe her. Because she's a bit, nah, I won't say that, because that would be rude. Anyway, at number 3, The Adventures of Priscilla, Queen of the Desert. Now that movie, honestly, Merrick, the fashion in that movie was so good.
I was going to say you would have loved the outfits.
It was beautiful.
The hairstyle and the makeup as well.
The makeup went down. Oh, I just have pictures all over my room so that I can work it out. It's brilliant. Anyway, shut up. Number 2.
Yeah.
We have The River Wild, which has the wonderful man. Scotty's gonna collapse over in there. Has the wonderful man Kevin Bacon. The man
Kevin Bacon
can dance.
From Footloose to She's Having a Baby to
That's right.
Flatliners.
And of course you can't miss Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep?
It's not Meryl Streep.
It is Meryl Streep.
I'm getting the thumbs up, don't be rude. And of course at number 1, the Aussie movie of all time, Muriel's Wedding.
Muriel?
Muriel. It's not easy to say Muriel in a Walk's accent, you know that.
I'm sure it's a great difficulty for you, Effie. Thank you so much for coming into the studio tonight to read us the top 10 movies.
That's my pleasure. I will come back again, but you wouldn't have me.
Alright, we're going to call Scott over to the mic now. With Miss Effie there, because he's going to introduce the next song for us.
I can't follow and act like he's so sorry.
Wasn't that good of her to come in like that?
Oh, it certainly was. Considering we didn't pay her anything. I love her.
We'll give her a $5 scratchy.
Yes. How's your trivia, Effie? Alright, what being the next song, I'm sorry, is Bingo. Okay. One of my favourite bands, personally, I'm chucking a Bill Collins and a Molly Meldrum rolled into one. From the film Less Than Zero, it's a song called Lil Devil by Holt.
by The Cold?
Yes.
Okay.
Dating back to their funky hard rock days.
Turn up your radios.
Yeah,
Worth it.
if he likes this band too, I'll tell you.
Okay, 25 to 1 on Soundtrack with Marek and Scott and Effie. Stay with us. Here it is from Lesson Zero. Little
Little
Devil with The Cold.
Yes.